What do I get out of $149 that I initially paid when I do decide to start my own online business? Amazing question. Few things. First, your own website is built for you. Second, your automated email campaign is also included. 24/7 access to the training site, global community support, unlimited mentorship, and so much more. This would have cost you thousands of dollars already. But here in our business, it only cost you $149 US. Amazing. So if you guys are interested to learn more, message me or sign up with your name and email address at my website. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you. Take care and God bless.